said it's nice and quiet, you can barely hear it. So there's the asset number. And you can run it from the front or you can run it from the back. He says you can't hear it, that's what we want. We don't want to hear it. There. Nice and quiet.